In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a website that has made me over $200 simply by uploading pictures and some of my designs on that website. So I'm going to be showing you some proofs of my earnings right now. So make sure you don't go anywhere. All right. So as you can see, this is when I started on this website. I started this in 2023, sometime in March. All right, and I made my first earning on this website in August, and I was paid 69 euros, which you can see. I was paid 69 euros in August. I was also paid in November that same year, 2023, and I was paid 52 euros. All right, as of 2024 March, all right, March 2024, I was paid $77. And I was paid in May 2024. I was paid $58. I also have a pending payment coming in this month, August, which this month, September, I have a pending payments coming in September, which you can see here, $63, and it's going to be paid on the 10th of this month. All right, so guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Eznaka Sylvester, and I'm committed to bringing you tips that works online. All right, I'll be making more research and bringing you more videos on how you can make money online with your phone or with your laptop from the comfort of your home. So if that is what you are interested in, make sure you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, all right, and make sure you turn on the bell notification. If you stay with me to the end of this video, you'll be able to start doing exactly what I'm doing now and be making money from the comfort of your home. This method works, so make sure you stay to the end of this video. All right, so let's dive into this website and let me show you how to get started creating your account and how you can get started uploading your pictures or uploading your graphic design. If you're a graphic designer watching me, then you can make a lot of money simply by doing what I'm doing on this website. So let's dive into the video for today. The website we are going to be looking at today is FreePic. All right, that's the name of the website, freepic.com. As you can see here, I'm sure if you have anything to do with design or you upload images, you're a content creator, you must have come across this site one way or the other. All right, just go to, I'll be dropping the link to the website in my description. Okay, all you just have to do, just click on the link in the description and take you to this website. So how do we register as a contributor on this website? All right, so all we just have to do is to put up our content on this website and it starts paying us. All right, so when you come to the bottom of the website, all right, you are going to see content, information, and legal. You want to come to information and then click on sell content. All right, right on this website, they are giving us an opportunity to sell our content as a contributor. You can also come to the website, upload images, and get paid when people download your images. That is how this website works. You upload images, you upload your designs there. When people download it, you get a certain amount of money on your account, on your dashboard. Now, I want to say this is not a get rich quick scheme. The amount of money you get is dependent on the amount of work you have put into it. All right, so if you look at my own personal dashboard, right, this is my dashboard, my contributor dashboard, my seller account on this website. You can see that I have over 200 files there, which is small. This file is very small. That's because I did not put in enough work as I should have. But as you can see from my earnings, my earning report, it's still making me that amount of money some period of time. All right, so how much you make from this is solely dependent on you. So you want to click on sell content. So when you click on sell content, this is where it should bring you to contributor.freepic.com. all right, so I'll also be dropping this link in the description. All right, so you can just click on it immediately and then create your contributor account. All right, it is called a contributor account or a seller account, depending on whatever you want to call it. All right, so you're going to see the option of signing up. So what you want to click is sign up. All right, or you can click on become a contributor. So let's click on become a contributor. All right, then you want to choose an account. Maybe if I prefer logging in with Google, but if not, you can click on continue with mail. You put in your mail, put in your password, and then you click on sign up. That's all you just have to do. So once you have put in your email address, you have put in your password, all right, you have access to your dashboard. All right, you can see there's no files currently on this dashboard. All right, so for you to successfully become a contributor, they have to try out your content. You have to upload a certain number of content. You see, let's get you started. Welcome to the contributor panel. Now that you are here, let's make most of our time together. All right, you are one step away from becoming a free pick contributor, converting your resources into earnings. Okay, so this is what you have to do next. You have to upload 25 to 50 best resources only. All right, so the minimum amount of file you can upload is 25. As of when I started this last year, it was 10 resource alone that you can upload. But because of the popularity of the site and the more users engage in the site, they have gone out to increase their criteria. All right, so if you're watching me right now, all you just have to do is get 25 pictures. I'm going to show you how to generate pictures free of charge. All right, I'm going to show you some website that you can use to generate pictures for free. AI images that can be used on this particular website. All right, so make sure you just stay with me. There are guidelines that you have to keep. All right, so this is not a get rich quick scheme, like I have said. There are some guidelines that you have to keep. All right, so what we have to do now is to click on upload files. All right, we want to upload 25 pictures first of all. All right, so let's just look at the guidelines for uploading pictures. So there are a lot of things you can upload on this site, not just pictures. You can upload vectors, EPS, illustrations, and so on. You can upload Photoshop files. Like I said, I'm a graphic designer and I upload my designs on this site. All right, and it fetches me a lot of money. So you can upload pictures too, photos. So if you have a camera, you are good in taking photos, even with your iPhone, even with your phone, your normal Android camera, you can snap pictures so long as they are good quality and you feel people will need these kinds of pictures. It can be uploaded on this site and you make money from it. So the format is JPEG. They don't accept any other format aside JPG. All right, the file size must be at least 1.5 MB. So whatever image you are uploading on this site, make sure it is not less than 1.5 megabytes. All right, so that's the criteria for the site. Then the preview resolution, it should be 4 megapixels minimum and 100 megapixel maximum. All right, color mode is sRGB. So I'm going to show us how to do all this in the next few minutes. It doesn't take time. If you get the hang of it, it does not take time. So we're going to go to another website to generate images to upload on this particular website. All right, so we're going to go to ideogram.ai. all right, or you can go to Leonard AI. All right, Leonard AI. These are the two free image generator that I know that you can use to generate images. Okay, so guys, what I'm going to be doing today, I'm going to generate just one image. All right, I'm going to show you how to generate one image and then show you how to make sure that image you generate fits into the criteria of this website so that this video is not too long. So I'm going to click on generate and then let's see the result. So it's going to generate it down here. All right, so guys, our image has finally generated. We can click on it to see it. All right, so this is what's one of the image. This is the second one that was generated. This is the third one. This is the fourth one. So we can download this image. All right, so I'll click and then I'll click on download and then choose JPEG of 70% quality. All right, for you to choose PNG, it has to be paid version. But from the criteria of that site, all they will accept is JPEG. That's JPG. All right, so when you click on download, this is my profile on the ideogram. You click here, you choose download, and then you download it into your phone. You can also download the 4 of them at the same time. So it lessens the amount of time you have to spend downloading 25 images if it gives you 4 for each prompt that you put into this particular site. As you can see, the size is 159 kilobytes, which is too low. So we're going to upscale this. All right, image upscaler, it will help us increase the size of this image quicker. You don't have to use any paid tool to do this. All right, so we want to choose 400%. Let us increase it, all right, as big as it should be. I tried upscaling with 200% and it did not work. I had to repeat the process using 400% this time around, and here is the results. So we have a file size of 1.7 MB, which meets our criteria for that particular website. So this website works. I'll be dropping the link to in the description. So what I'm going to do now, I will drag and drop my image here and see if it meets the criteria. If it doesn't meet the criteria, you are going to be told that it does not meet the criteria, that you should change it. All right, so let's wait for the image to upload. Once it uploads, they are going to let us know if it meets their requirements. Okay. All right, so if it doesn't meet their requirements, you are going to see a bad sign, an X sign, telling you that this image does not meet their minimum requirements. So all you just have to do is to check what needs to be updated. Check if it's your minimum file size, or check if it's your preview resolution. Okay, so that's just all you have to do. So once you download your image, you upload to this site, make sure it's up to 25. If not, they are not going to review your work. So once you pass up to 25 and then your work is accepted, you can now upload more, as many as you want. Upload as many images as possible. Don't be like me that stopped at 200 and then got tired of it. Keep uploading, and watch your work get downloaded. Your resources will be downloaded. I can assure you of that. All right, so the amount of work you put in is going to be the amount of results you have from this website. So yes, it works. All right, so get started on this right away. Like I said, I'll be bringing you more updates on how to earn money online, all right, using your phone or your laptop from the comfort of your home. So stay tuned to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share it with your friends. See you in my next video.